these are flights, what we call lifting flights, for rotary kiln and also rotary drum dryer. So it's a spring plate. So the packagings of the gear and also the spring plate. This is how we ship the gear and then the spring plate. It has a base frame, and then we will load the gears on the gear rings on the outside, and then we'll put the spring plates in the middle. How we ship it. It's same here. Just like this one is also gear rims with flights. As well as this one. Later the flights will also be placed inside of it.